All right, everybody, welcome to today's episode. So honestly, today is a bit of a sentimental day for me. 2 years ago, I purchased this 2016 Volkswagen GTI with a manual transmission. DSGs don't count, people, they don't count. You're lazy, shift your own gears. Gosh. So to celebrate this wondrous, exciting, exceptional day, I'm going to show you how to wash a car, but not wash a car normally. No, I'm going to show you how to wash a car with power. Yeah.
Foam cannon, you wash your car with a foam cannon. Foam cannon!
All right, everybody, so the foam cannon is this little unimposing guy right here. You just plug it in to the front, into the front of your pressure washer gun. It's kind of cool because you can tilt like this and it always stays like that. And it uses this very awesome soap from Chemical Guys called Mr. Pink. And kind of smells like bubble gum. Very, very awesome. Kind of expensive, if you ask me, but all cool things seem to be expensive. So, ready to do this? Okay, so after you get the car all covered in foam, just simply take a bucket of soapy water, preferably car wash soap, and a microfiber mitt, and wash your car like you normally would. Oh, and you want to wash in straight, either like side to side or up and down, and not in the swirl. That way, if there is still some dirt on the paint surface, you won't get swirl marks. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and leave a thumbs up on this video or a comment if you feel so inclined. And yeah, she's just so red. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. That was so much fun that I think I might continue foam cannoning things.
foam cannon. You wash your car with a foam cannon.